Hello everyone, how are you all? In our last video, we saw bisection method. In this video, we will be seeing another method of finding the root, which is Regula Falsi method. At first, let's have a look at our algorithm. Like our previous bisection method, in this method, we also have to choose a and b in such a way that function of a multiplied by function of b is less than 0. This function is the function which will be given in the question. Next, we have to find the value of c, which is our root. Using the formula c equal a multiplied by f of b minus b multiplied by f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. Next, we have to find the value of f of c. Now, in the next step, we have to determine the value of a and b. For that, we will see the product of f of a and f of c. If the product is greater than 0, then we will put the value of c in a in our next step. And if the product of f of a and f of c is less than 0, then we will put the value of c in b. When we will put the value of c in a, in that step, the value of b will remain same as our previous step. And if we put the value of c in b, in that step, the value of a will remain unchanged as our previous step. Now we will have to continue these steps as long as we don't get two roots which are same in the root column. Now let's have a look at the problem. Now then these confusions will get clear. The question is, find the root of f of c equal 3x minus cos x minus 1 using Regula Falsi method. I kept the function same, so it will be easier for you to understand that whichever method you follow, ultimately the root will be same. So according to our step 1, first we have to choose a value of a and b. Let us choose the value of a as 0 and b as 1. Now let us check this condition. So we determined the value of f of a, which is minus 2, by putting the value of a as 0 in the given question. Given function 3x minus cos x minus 1. Then we also put the value of b equal 1 in the given function. So we got minus 2 and 1.46. Now let us find the product of f of a and f of b is less than 0 or not, so that to see if this condition is met. We can see that product of f of a and f of b is a negative number, which means it is less than 0. So we can choose these two numbers. If the condition is not met, you can change numbers and try a different one. For example, instead of 0, 1, you can try 1, 2. If the condition is not met, then you can try 2, 3 this way. Now, let us create a table where we will write a, b, f of a, f of b, and c, and f of c. Then we wrote the value of a and b in the table which we chose in step 1. Then we wrote the value of f of a and f of b, which we had already found in step 1. Now it's time for us to calculate the root using this formula. So c equal a multiplied by f of b, where a means 0 and f of b means 1.46, minus b into f of a. Here b's value is 1 and f of a's value is minus 2. So we wrote 1 into minus 2 divided by f of b minus f of a. F of b's value is 1.46 and f of a's value is minus 2. So 1.46 minus minus 2. If you calculate, you will find this value as 0.58. Now put this value of c in the given function to find f of c. You will see you have got minus 0.1. Now you have to determine the value of a and b in next step. In the next step, we have to determine the value of a and b using step 4. If the product of f of a and f of c is greater than 0, then we will put c's value in a. Now f of a's value was minus 2 and f of c's value was minus 0.1. So if we multiply these two values, we will get a positive value, which means greater than 0. So we will put c's value in 1. Here c's value is 0.58. So we wrote 0.58 in a. And if we change a's value, b's value will remain unchanged. B's value was 1 in first step, so in second step b's value will also be 1. Now using this value, we found f of a and f of b by putting this value in the given function 3x minus cos x minus 1. Then again we put this value in the formula of c, where a into f of b, a means 0.58 and f of b is 1.46. So 0.58 multiplied by 1.46 minus b into f of a. b is 1 and f of a is minus 0.1. So minus 1 into 0.1. Now f of b minus f of a. f of b is 1.46 and f of a is minus 0.1. So 1.46 minus minus 0.1. If you calculate this, you will get 0.61. And if you put this value in the given function to get f of c, you will get minus 0.0. Now using the same procedure, find the value of a and b in the third step, and also find the value of f of a and f of b by putting the value of a and b in the given function. Then find the value of c using this formula like the earlier two steps. You will get 0.61. Then if you put this value in in the given function, you will find f of c as 0.01. But you can see that in the last two steps we have got 0.61. Since we have got two same values into consecutive steps, so this is our final root. So our final root is 0.61. So that's it for now. In our next video we will be discussing another method. Thank you.